Oh my beautiful people, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. I have another pancake recipe. I'm going to prepare it today with coconut milk pancake. This is my coconut milk, my flour, my egg, and this is lime. As well, I'm going to prepare coconut milk cream for me to finish it up later, guys. So let's go and start immediately the preparation for my coconut milk. I'm going to add 1 full spoon sugar of brown sugar. Keep it aside. I'm going to stir. So this is my coconut milk. So I'm going to get some of it. Let me turn it, guys. Then I'm going to add some here. Wow. Start now preparation. Okay. As usual, I'm going to add some oil for my frying pan, guys. It's hot enough, so let's go. Bella gente, scusate un'altra volta, Rosemary. Oggi ce la fa un'altra ricetta, un'altra volta che ho sempre questo pancake, lo sapete anche voi. Però oggi lo sto usando latte di cocco, come avete visto latte di cocco, questa volta preparo con latte di cocco e poi vedrete voi come verrà. Quindi restate sempre sul vostro divano, comodo, così lo potete vedere alla fine come è venuta. Oh my beautiful people! Okay guys, this one is ready. Let's go for the second, guys. Okay. Cream, guys. I'll be needing just my lime, my lemon, just the yellow part of it. Okay, guys. I'll just be needing some few, just very few possible. The yellow part of it without the white, guys. This is what I'll be needing. Then I'll be adding my coconut milk inside. Then I'm gonna get a pot, small pot like this. I'm gonna break my egg. 1 egg. Let me wash my hands, guys. I'm coming, guys. Look, this one is ready as well. Okay. Okay guys, let's go for the last one. All right, always 3. I don't know why it's always 3. Yeah guys, I have my egg, so I'm going to add just some very little sugar, and I'm going to mix it. I'm going to mix it very well. I'll be showing you guys how it's looking, but for the meantime, let me go take a look, otherwise everything's going to burn up. Okay guys, this one is ready now. So now it's time for me to concentrate on my coconut. Main vanilla, I'm going to use this vanilla powder to give it a little bit aroma. So I'll keep mixing my egg. After mixing, I'm going to put it here. Okay guys, then I'm going to put here my coconut milk, and I'm going to take it right to the gas. Let's go. This is my coconut milk. In here I have my vanilla flavor together with some slice of lime. So I'm going to be stirring. I'm going to get my egg that I've mixed properly. I'm going to put it right inside. Then I'll keep stirring together. Till it will get very. I'm going to add 1 little spoon of flour. As you are adding, you have to always stir, otherwise it will be seedy. You keep stirring. It's going to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. For it to get more denser. Then my coconut cream, after 7 minutes, you guys can see the consistency now right now has changed. Oh bella gente, sto preparando la crema di coco. Con cui lo devo fare. You guys can see my coconut cream is ready. So now I'm going to put up the gas. I'm going to allow it. You guys can see the density now. I'm going to allow it to cool off before I can be able to finish it up with my coconut pancake for today. So I'm going to see you briefly, guys. Cool. Guys, so let's go. You guys can see. You guys can see my coconut cream. This is my coconut milk pancake, and this is my coconut cream that I'm going to use in finishing it up. So let's start the finishing part of it, guys. And this is my cream that I'm having here. I'm going to put my cream. You guys see the lime that is inside, you can remove it, okay guys. This is my cream. I'm going to spam it all over my cream, and as usual I'm going to fold it, guys. I'm going to fold it, guys. Okay, that's one over there. This is the other one. So while you are spamming it, you see the lime, the slice of the lime, you can remove it. I put because it's delicious, guys. Yeah, this is the finishing part of my coconut milk pancake together with my coconut cream. You guys can see, so let's cut together and see how it's doing inside. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go for the cutting. Haha. Okay. Wow.